Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your feed option to top on your Reddit's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your feed option to top on your Reddit's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Reddit application on your device. The home page of Reddit will be displayed on the screen. Tap on U button at the bottom right corner of the page. Tap on Feeds option. Now from the pop-up, tap on Top. Choose the time period and click on it. This is how you can change your feed option to top on your Reddit's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.